Welcome back, folks. Today I'm going to be replacing the radial in my excavator here. Let me show you what it does as to why I'm replacing it. Okay, so there it is. Start the machine up. And it powers on. And then it goes off just like that. And then it doesn't work the rest of the time. Sometimes I can get out of the machine after running it for a little bit, get back in, close the door, and it comes back on, the radial does. And then it shuts back off, like, you know, a couple seconds later. So I'm thinking that this control head is bad. So I'm going to put a new one on there today and see if that fixes it. Let's get started. Okay, so getting right into it. I can't remember. Pull these little tabs on. I'm trying to do it one-handed. Hold on. Okay, you got those on. Then the screws are behind there. I'm going to just loosen these up, and then I got to use both hands to work it. So just showing you. These screws, just about everything on this excavator are torque type. So this is a torque 15 screwdriver that I'm using. Okay, give me just a second. Let me get that out of there and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, the screws are all out now. Just pull it right out, straight out. And there we go. Just a little thing. Okay. Get all these wires out here to where I can get to them. Again. Sorry. Okay, let me get everything disconnected and I'll be back. Okay, you got the old one out. So all I did was just disconnect this wire and harness. Let's see, what am I think it was this one for your antenna. Disconnected that, and then the USB, where did it go? Oh, right here. And I disconnected that. Okay, so now that's the old one, two little trim pieces, and here is the new one. So let's go hook it up. Okay, got it all hooked up. Put the wire harness, USB. I went ahead and hooked up the auxiliaries in. Antennas hooked up. And that's it. Alright, let me put it in there and see if it works. Okay, got it all in there. Let me remove this film so you can see the screen. There we go. Get the glare off of there. Okay, let's see if it will work. Hopefully it will. I'm trying to get the glare off. There we go, right there. Power on. Let's listen to static for a second. Make sure that's shut off. Well, I'm turning the machine off. Well, I can't turn the key. Oh, there it goes. Okay. I was going to say, the radio should come back on. Okay, there we go. Now we can concentrate. Let's see. Let's find the channel. thing's retarded. Why am I at work? Seek. And one button press at a time. A long ways from 102.5. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. We'll go to 190. You know what? I don't think it's working. It's went off again. That is very annoying. It's got to be the speaker. Turn off. See, it just shuts off. I mean, it's got to be the speaker, right? That's crazy. Alright, well, I'll be back when I figure out what's wrong with it. Probably gotta get some speakers or something. That's crazy. Okay, a couple days later here, I just got that roof out. Some old speakers right there, took the old speakers out. So what I did is put some new speakers in there. And while I was doing that, I went ahead and bought, there's the new radio right there. But I went ahead and bought the little wiring harness that goes from the radio all the way around, down the side here, underneath the panel, into this panel right here, which is this right here. It gives you your USB and your aux right there, and then above that is your 12-volt charging station. So I had all that removed to put that piece in there, and also cleaned it all up real good. And I didn't think about getting the camera turned on until I got to this point, but it was real easy. I mean, there's a bolt right there that you take out, a bolt right there, a bolt right there, a bolt right there, and a bolt right there. So you take all those out and it comes right out, and you just run the wire like this. And it didn't have a tie strap until now, so you know, tie strap in two places here, put that panel back down, a couple places going up this side rail right here, put the side cover back on, and then come across the top here, put a couple of them, and then come out in the radio spot. Okay, so I'm gonna get that point. Okay, got that all back in there. Got that panel on right there, and the wiring harness all the way up. Into the radio box, which is right there, coming down a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this roof panel back up, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I got this all back together. Completely back together. All right, and it works. I already tried it. mute it. But anyway, it does work, and that's really good. So all I had to do really was just put new speakers on there. But I didn't know. I figured, I could have swore it was that head being bad because the way it was acting. And but anyway, so I got a new radio right there. Went ahead and placed that wire, like I said, because I wanted to have that panel taken out and cleaned up. But all I really needed to do was just put new speakers in it. But yeah, I just thought it was weird that it would work for 30 seconds and shut off. And I was like, well, hell, if that works and during that time, then the speaker's not it. Obviously, I was wrong. So anyway. Alright, well, real happy about that. Glad it works. Alright, well, I'm going to end this video right here. Thanks for watching. Till the next one.